Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a gift card for Priceline. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to get a gift card for Priceline, we need to head on over to Google. And now in the Google search box, type in gift card for Priceline. And now in the Google search results, you want to click on get past the sponsored results and then go to where it says gift cards under priceline.com.au. So head over the Priceline pharmacy page here. And now once we're here, we'll want to accept the cookies and then scroll down. And then we got a big pink shop gift card. So go ahead and click on shop gift cards. Now this is going to redirect you to pricelinegiftcard.com.au. So now this is where you can go ahead and purchase your Priceline gift card. So if we check out this page here, we've got digital gift cards or physical gift cards. So with a digital gift card, it says personalize with your own special message and delivered direct to their inbox within 24 hours of approval. And if you rather do the physical gift card, delivered to your nominated postal address within 3 to 5 business days of approval, free standard shipping. So yeah, depending which route you want to go, you just simply choose which gift card you want to go with. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do a digital gift card, and they've got different types. So we got happy birthday gift cards, thank you gift cards, you're gifted, etc. And these gift cards value between $10 and $200 on the physical and digital gift cards as well. But you can choose the quantity. So the quantity goes up to, let's have a look, and get about 20. Wow, so you can get quite a few gift cards here. But if you're only after one, just pop in one. Oh, wrong button on my keyboard. Yeah, so just one gift card, physical gift card. I'm going to click this to add plus checkout. So this is going to send me over to the checkout page. And now from here, simply fill in your contact details with your first name, surname, etc., and then click on confirm. And I've understood the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Have a read of that and then click confirm. Now from here, we've got the delivery details. So it will say send all physical cards to your billing address. You can highlight that if you like. Add a message, confirm. And now it will say payment details. And now here, just simply add in your credit card, Visa, debit, MasterCard, Amex card number, and then go ahead and complete your purchase.